Today's definitely going to be an interesting one. Things are starting off a little bit rough down here at the inlet. It's supposed to get just a little bit worse and then progressively get better as the day goes, which is going to lead into some interesting situations our captains are going to have to face, kind of like this crew as they work their way out the inlet. But welcome back, crew, to Boats vs. Haulover, where Man and Machine take on Mother Nature down here at beautiful Haulover Inlet. And this, of course, is going to bring us to the first round of our contest. And here in the first round, the boats are going to toss a World Cat in the ring to see if they can go ahead and get on the board first. But let's go. Round one, ring the bell, and our crew is working their way out. These cats are notorious for being inlet slayers, as these things ride exceptionally well and usually land pretty soft. But Cap's blasting it out of the inlet, hits a wave hard, and we've got somebody who winds up going down. This one's a surprise. Typically these cats land super soft, but for whatever reason, it falls into the trough, plows into the wave in front of it, just causing a lot of force. And I guess our girl probably wasn't 100% ready, as she winds up absolutely just hitting the deck on this one. Fortunately, you can see she's got a smile on her face, which means she's probably okay. I'm just guessing the crew wasn't quite ready for these conditions, but unfortunately, that's not the way the boats were hoping to start off. The boats are going to wind up taking a loss here in the first round, which is going to bring us to the second round of our competition. In the second round, the boats are going to go big or go home, as they're going to toss a big cigarette in the ring to see if that one can go ahead and get them on the board. Let's go round two, as our crew starts working their way out the inlet. Things have gotten a little bit worse. It's gotten a little rougher down here as this crew's working their way out. Cap leans into the throttles, trying to get up on top of it, and he's going to go ahead and plow right out the inlet, and things start to get rough as soon as he gets to the outside. He does have to back off the throttle a little bit, but this crew is still trying to blast their way out and just stay up on top of these waves. Right there, they take a huge shot to the bow, but it's not stopping them. Really what they need to do here, as soon as they can make this turn and start getting this boat moving south instead of directly into the swell, they'll probably actually be able to open this one up just a little bit. And right here, we can see they're starting to head that direction now, and just that, they're finding that speed they want to be at, settling into it, and just letting the boat do its thing now. But here you can see there were some big shots on the way out as they take a couple good shots to the bow. But overall, not a bad performance on a rough day. They don't wind up stuffing it. They wind up making it out. And even though Haulover threw them off a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and give the win to the boats there in the second round, which will now bring us to the third round of our contest, where we're going to have a Nortex stepping in the ring. Another go-fast boat. Let's see how she fares as our crew tries to take on Haulover. So Cap's got the boat moving out, got the throttle up. I feel like something's a little off here. They are porpoising everywhere. He probably needs to give this just a little bit of trim tab to try and get that bow down a little bit so it'll actually slice through these waves, but maybe they're just being overly cautious to try and make sure they don't stuff it no matter what. Plan's gonna work. It just doesn't look pretty and really doesn't cost for the best ride, but fortunately for them, they make it out. I have no choice in this one. Even though it was a little ugly, I do have to give the win to the boats in this one as well. And that's going to bring us to the fourth round with the boats up 2-1. Haulover's going to try and climb his way back into this one, and they're going to get a shot, as the boats are going to toss a Nautics Star in the ring on a rough day down here at Haulover. We can picture how this one may go, but we're going to find out as this crew works their way out. Maybe Cap's got this one all lined up. So far, so good. Right now, they've not stuffed it, which is what I'm waiting for with all this weight up in the bow. Is that it? Is that our moment? No. Right now it looks good. I don't know what's going on here. There we go. No, still no stuffing, but our guy goes down. So I thought for sure we were going to see a stuffing on this one, but here they go up. Watch the guy by the windshield, smacks down, loses his cup, winds up on the deck right here, and unfortunately for this crew, they're going to wind up taking a loss in the fourth round, which means we're going to move to the fifth round of our contest, now tied at 2 apiece. Who will take the win? Will it be the boats? Haulover? Let's find out, as the boats are going to toss a deep impact in the ring to see if they can go ahead and close this one out. But here we go, our crew throttle up, riding high on the waves, and my man, he's going to try and let this boat do its thing and send this thing right into the inlet. Right now they look pretty solid, and the conditions slowly have started to calm down as the day has progressed, so they're getting some of the better conditions that we've seen today, and a little rooster tail there on the backside, but overall this thing is riding high, gets a little work from Haulover right there, but they are just absolutely moving, using that sharp bow entry to plow their way through this, and they're going to have no issues whatsoever. Take a win for the boats, and that means the boats are going to take the win in this episode. Thanks for watching, crew. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.